Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use a very easy strategy to solve addition problem. So let's read it together. There were 17 lollipops in a bag. Then I added 25 lollipops. How many lollipops are in the bag? So first, when you see the keyword added, it means plus, addition. And notice here, always you have to show your work. So the easiest strategy is to draw. Let's draw it together. Yeah, math has fun. Okay, here is two parts. First, the bag had 17 lollipops. Let's draw it. So we refer to 17 means like 10 and 7. You know it. First grade, guys, you know it, okay? So for 10 lollipops, we refer it like a very long line and you put 10. What we're gonna do with 7? We have 7 ones. So to arrange your ideas, always make the number in tens and ones. So in your brain, you know there is 4 10 and 7 ones. For the 7 ones, we're gonna do like squares or circles. Yeah, here I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Okay, so the next part, the second part, I added 25 lollipops. Here, easy. How many tens here, guys? 2 tens. How many ones? 5. 25. Okay, so for tens, remember we drew a little long line and we put 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Don't forget the ones. And let's put 5 squares. Now it is very easy to count. 10, 20, 30. Yeah, we have 30. Let's count the little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 12. Do we know the final answer? No, we don't know yet. So what gonna happen now? Keep the 30 as it is, because they are tens. 3 tens. How about the 12? It has 1 10, 2 squares. Now let's count the tens. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Yeah, the answer is 42. Easy. What is the final answer? 42 what? Lollipops. Easy.